doing a little captain's vlog. So today we're headed out to hopefully catch my dad his first fall run bass. Gonna give it a shot. He hasn't had a chance to been out. He hasn't been on the water basically since like August or something like that. So really be awesome to get him out and get him on his first fish and see what we can do. So it's a beautiful day, and we're just going to try to make the best of it. It's Saturday, so boat traffic is probably going to be absolutely crazy. We're just going to go from there. Looking for a bus stop. Looking for a bus stop here. Looking for a little bus stop here. First big bass of the fall, and it is a freaking hog, man. Nice job. Sending home Dad's first big bass of the year. Here he goes. I'm used to it. Look at this. Beautiful fish, man. Up. Not throwing one in the front. I think you got a good one. Mine's coming up. Mine's a little better than I thought. Woo! Now he woke up. Dad, here, grab it. Hard top, put it back. Results of the double up with nut. Look at that.
Full moon.
Yep, full moon, but we got 6 in the boat already. I'm like tickle pink with that, especially to see this man get his get a few fish, man.
I think the one might have been a PV.
Yep, close to it anyway. Me and Nut just doubled up. It's been a good morning.
size of that fucking cow. Size of that one. Oh, the monster.
And we're fishing next to a hot pressure.
Oh, dang, that one way. The size of this pig. 46-inch bass, showing back. 46-inch cow, just tagged and released. Biggest of the day for sure. It's on a nice fish here. I don't think it's that big. It's small. There he is. Yeah. It's not that big. It's not that big. Yeah, watch that high sticking. Awesome. Look at that. Nice fish. Fatty. Dad just caught. Beautiful, man. We've got to get her measured up. So we're gonna put a tag in this bass. What we're gonna do, slide the tag in here. Find the meat up by the spine, dorsal. To the meat, quick hook, which is 45-inch bass. We're gonna get her back in order. Are you still recording? Yes. So sending this one home, 45 inches. Give her a minute to catch her breath. Goes. Fucking trolling right through bunker pods, through fleets of boats. Beautiful. This is what you don't want to do. Don't be this guy. Oh. I don't know where your bunk is, but it might still be in the school. Look at that flex. Jesus Christ. Damn, boy. Watch it, watch it. Yours just got nervous. It's a heavy fish. Holy shit. Your rod's getting worked this year, bud. Oh! Now I got it, just fish. Dude, that's like number, I don't know, losing count now. Beautiful fish. Yep, that's a freaking pig. We're gonna be tagging and releasing this striper here. So this is a 43-inch bass. What we're gonna do is we're gonna find the meat up near the dorsal, give it a quick poke, in, turn, done. Now we can get her back in the water. It's a pig, 43 inches. Beautiful fish, man. So, 43-inch bass here. We're gonna just tagged her. Gonna send her home. Beautiful fish. A minute to catch her breath. She's getting ready. Looking for a little bust up here. Looking for a bust up. Give me a bust up here. Excellent little session with the nutter. We accomplished our goals. You couldn't ask for a better morning than that. Oh, we kicked ass. Most fish were between 40 and 46 inches was the biggest.